Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you just at least one time thought about to open your own business, this video will be very useful for you because I will tell you the next. There's much better thing than your own business. There's much better thing than your own business because you can make the big and well-known business work for you. How? We'll explain in this video. We'll talk about investment in stock market. I'm using the IQ option platform. This is absolutely amazing platform. It's very suitable for all my purposes, and there's 185 different options to invest in, and there's companies that you all love, that you all know, like Pinterest, Visa, MasterCard, Starbucks, a lot of companies. And there was some difficulties with the investment like years ago, but now you can become an owner of McDonald's. Let's see what's happening with McDonald's. The company is growing and will grow, and all you know that McDonald's will stay forever. And if you have doubts which way the price will go, which button is to press, buy or sell, you can just watch on this widget that shows all the traders' opinions right here. So 84% of people believes that the price of McDonald's will grow, and I do, and I believe so. I will press buy for $1,000. I'm buying the McDonald's. If you want to buy McDonald's, Microsoft, or Nike, or other company from the list, let's check it out. Twitter, PayPal, AMD, Nvidia, Coca-Cola, Disney, Visa, Pinterest, Snapchat. This is absolutely fantastic. You can buy stocks right here on this platform. I'm using this platform all the time. I have my small portfolio, and if you want to start investing, I suggest you to go to the description panel of this video. I suggest you to find the links to get to the platform. I suggest you to go to the platform, to pass the registration, to make your first deposit, and to start investing right now. I love to invest in different companies. I have a portfolio. Let's check it. These companies, I bought the stocks of these companies not a long time ago, and here you can see the green zone. And here you go, almost every on them is in green zone. And this means that I'm getting my profit even if I'm sleeping, or I'm walking around, or doing just nothing, or drinking a cocktail. I'm getting my profit on a lot of companies. And you need to think about it like about the ownership of the business, like about you buying not the stocks, you clicking on this platform not about the money, you clicking about ownership. If I want to be a part of some company from the list, buying Tesla, for example, I'll show you that I bought Tesla right here in this spot, and for now it brought me $1,200 plus 40%. plus 40%, and I bought it yesterday, I guess. So you can buy some small piece of a company, and all this company, all this gigafactory, all these cars working for you. Just think about it. If you always wanted to have a big company, big business, this is the way to be the part of a big business that is well known in the world, that's you sure that this company will not disappear tomorrow, and you can easily like buy a part of this company. So you can start investing from literally $10. The minimum deposit on this platform is $10, and even from $10 you can make 40%, for example, or more, or 50 or more, and the price is going up and down all the time. You just need to press the right button, and that's it. You're pressing the button, you're waiting a couple days, or maybe hours, you're waiting a little bit, you're pressing the close button, you're closing your actions, you're closing your positions on the platform, and that's it. You get your profit. This is absolutely simple. And if you think about it as a long time game, it's gonna be much more interesting, because I like to buy stocks and just leave them alone. They're growing like with the small steps, they're growing, they're going up, or they're going down, so you can make money even if company is falling. For that you need to press the sell button. So right now I believe that the company will go up. In this moment the company will go up. Right now it's 41% for the moment, but I believe that this company will grow for sure. And you see it every day, you see the Tesla cars on the roads, and this shows that this is absolutely strong and powerful company, and you can invest on it. Just find the links in the description panel of this video, go to the platform, pass the registration, make your first deposit, and start investing. You can start from $10. You spend more money to buy coffee daily. If you will not drink coffee and you will bring your money into investment, then your money will bring you more money. This is fantastic, and I don't know what can be easier, what can be more simple than that. And this is a great platform. I left the links in the description panel of this video, especially for you. Go to that platform, pass the registration, and try it yourself. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know more about investment, about how to make money online, welcome. Subscribe to my channel and press the notification button not to miss my new videos that I'm making just for you. And I'm sharing with all my soul, I'm sharing all my knowledges. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos. Bye.